Right now, your brain is likely stuck in an invisible loop of threat detection that you did not ask for. You feel that tight knot in your chest, that endless cycle of overthinking as you lie in bed, wondering why your mind refuses to shut off. But what if the switch to turn off that alarm isn't a pill or a complex therapy, but something right under your bare feet that you have been isolated from your entire life? Tonight, we're stripping away the pseudoscience and looking at the cold, hard neurobiology of what happens when your bare skin meets the earth. You are going to discover how a simple walk in your backyard rewires your brainwaves, calms your central nervous system, and signals to your body that it is finally safe to let go of anxiety before you sleep. To understand why your mind is racing tonight, you first have to realize that you are living in a sensory deprivation chamber of your own making. For millions of years, human beings walked, slept, and lived in direct contact with the ground, receiving a constant stream of tactile and electrical signals that shaped how our nervous system evolved to handle stress and survival. Then, in a brief flash of evolutionary history, we invented rubber-soled shoes, synthetic carpets, and high-rise apartments, effectively severing our connection to the planet. We insulated ourselves from the ground, and without realizing it, we pulled the plug on a biological grounding mechanism that kept our nervous system balanced for thousands of generations. Think of your nervous system as a complex electrical grid that is constantly generating charges as you react to stress, deadlines, and screen light throughout the day. When you are disconnected from the earth, that static electrical tension has nowhere to go, leaving your body in a perpetual state of low-grade fight or flight that keeps your mind scanning for danger even when you are trying to relax. The soles of your feet are not just padding for walking, they are one of the most densely packed sensory organs in your entire body, containing over 200,000 nerve endings. These microscopic receptors are constantly waiting for tactile input, ready to report back to your brain about the environment you are navigating and whether you are truly secure. When you step onto natural grass without shoes, those 200,000 nerve endings send an immediate cascade of electrical impulses up your spinal cord and straight into your brain's emotional center. It's an instant sensory override that forces your brain to pay attention to the physical reality beneath you, breaking the mental loop of anxiety. Deep inside your brain sits an almond-shaped structure called the amygdala, which acts as your body's personal smoke detector for danger. When you experience chronic stress, your amygdala stays hyperactive, firing warning shots that tell your heart to beat faster and your thoughts to race, preparing you for a threat that isn't actually there. Neuroscientists have discovered that high-density tactile input from the feet acts like a physical dampener on this hyperactive smoke detector. By flooding your brain with rich, grounding sensations from the earth, you effectively send a loud, unambiguous message to your amygdala. The ground is stable, you are safe, and the immediate threat has passed. Think of it like taking a barking guard dog and letting it sniff a peaceful room so it realizes there are no intruders hiding in the dark. Your brain cannot process intense physical grounding sensations and maintain a high-state panic loop at the exact same time, forcing your nervous system to shift its priority toward deep relaxation. This shift triggers an immediate transition in your autonomic nervous system, pulling you out of sympathetic overdrive and activating your parasympathetic state. This is the rest and digest mode, where your heart rate slows, your blood pressure settles, and your body finally begins the essential repair work required for deep, restorative sleep. But the neurological rewiring goes deeper than simple tactile sensation. It physically alters the electrical brainwave patterns that dictate your state of consciousness. When you are stressed and overthinking, your brain is dominated by high-frequency beta waves, which are fast, chaotic, and exhausting for your mind to maintain for hours on end. EEG studies measuring brain electrical activity have shown that walking barefoot on natural soil induces a rapid shift toward alpha wave activity within minutes.
Alpha waves are the rhythmic, calm frequency associated with daydreaming, meditation, and quiet focus, the exact bridge your brain needs to cross if it wants to fall asleep effortlessly tonight. Imagine your mind as a busy highway during rush hour, packed with loud honking cars moving in every direction without any traffic lights. Step onto the grass barefoot, and it's as if every car suddenly pulls over to the side of the road, leaving behind a wide open highway where your thoughts can finally travel at a slow, peaceful pace. To fully appreciate why this happens, we have to look at the bioelectrical nature of the Earth itself. The surface of our planet carries a continuous, subtle negative electrical charge, maintained by global atmospheric activity and lightning strikes that pump electrons into the soil around the clock, creating an abundant natural reservoir of energy. When your bare skin comes into contact with moist grass or soil, your body acts as a conductor, allowing free electrons to flow naturally into your biological system. These free electrons act as potent neutralizers against positive charges and free radicals that accumulate in your tissues due to modern stress, environmental toxins, and constant exposure to digital devices. Blood viscosity, or how thick and sticky your blood is, plays a massive role in how stressed and fatigued you feel throughout the day. Studies evaluating the physiological effects of grounding found that direct contact with the earth increases the surface charge on red blood cells, causing them to repel each other and flow much more smoothly through your cardiovascular system. When your blood flows more efficiently, oxygen delivery to your brain improves dramatically, while cardiovascular strain drops significantly. This physical relief at the cellular level trickles up to your conscious mind, removing the physiological feeling of heaviness and anxiety that often manifests as unexplained restlessness in the evening.
Another critical piece of this puzzle is cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone, which follows a natural circadian rhythm throughout the day. In a healthy human, cortisol spikes in the early morning to wake you up and gradually drops to its lowest levels at night, allowing melatonin to take over and induce deep sleep. Modern life disrupts this natural curve completely, keeping your cortisol levels artificially elevated late into the evening due to bright screens, work stress, and mental worry. When cortisol remains high at night, your body is tricked into believing it is under attack, making deep sleep virtually impossible and leaving you exhausted the next morning. Clinical research tracking nighttime cortisol levels revealed that individuals grounded to the earth during rest experienced a resynchronization of their stress hormone secretion patterns. Their stress hormone levels dropped significantly at night, aligning perfectly with the natural biological clock that humans operated on for thousands of years before modern civilization. Think of your body's circadian rhythm as a grand orchestral symphony that has been playing out of tune because the conductor lost the rhythm. Touching the earth is like striking a master tuning fork. It instantly gives every organ, cell, and hormone in your body the correct tempo to align with once again. You don't need to spend hours walking in the wilderness to experience these physiological benefits. Even 15 to 20 minutes of direct contact can trigger this cascade. The key is consistency and intentionality, treating this brief period not as another chore, but as a mandatory daily reset button for your overstimulated mind. The surface you choose matters greatly for maximizing this neural rewiring effect. Natural damp grass, rich moist soil, and ocean sand are exceptional conductors because water and minerals enhance electrical conductivity, while dry asphalt, painted wood, and synthetic turf act as insulators that block the natural signal entirely. To turn this into a transformative evening ritual for tonight, start by stepping outside right as the sun begins to set, or just before you prepare for bed. Leave your phone, headphones, and all digital distractions inside the house, allowing your senses to focus entirely on the physical environment around you without competing inputs.
As your bare feet press into the cool grass, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose for 4 seconds, hold it briefly, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. This specific breathing rhythm works synergistically with the tactile sensory input, accelerating the deactivation of your stress response. Pay deliberate attention to the temperature of the ground, the texture of individual blades of grass, and the subtle shifting of weight beneath your soles. This practice, known as somatic grounding, forces your brain to anchor its awareness in real-time physical sensations, making it impossible for anxious thoughts to dominate your attention. Notice how your mind tries to wander back to your to-do list or past worries during these minutes, and gently redirect your focus back to the sensation beneath your feet. It is not about forcing your thoughts to be completely silent, but about changing where your attention chooses to rest when anxiety tries to pull you away. If you live in an urban environment where access to clean, natural grass is limited, do not let that become an excuse to ignore your nervous system's need for grounding. Local parks, garden patches, or even concrete slabs poured directly onto dirt, unsealed and unpainted, can serve as effective conductive surfaces to help you reconnect. Many people report feeling an immediate wave of warmth or a subtle tingling sensation spreading up their legs within the first few minutes of standing on grass. This is not imagination, it is the physical result of localized microcirculation improving as your blood vessels dilate and your autonomic nervous system relaxes its tight grip. By making this simple 10 to 20-minute practice a permanent part of your evening routine, you create a powerful psychological boundary between the stress of your day and the rest of your night. You are giving your brain a clear biological signal that work is finished, danger is absent, and sleep is now welcome. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning feeling genuinely restored, with a calm mind and a body that isn't carrying yesterday's accumulated tension in its muscles. That shift doesn't require complex habits or expensive equipment. It begins with the simple choice to step outside and reconnect with the earth right beneath your door. The next time you feel that overwhelming surge of overthinking creeping in tonight, remember that your body already knows how to heal itself if you give it the right environment. Step away from the screens, take off your shoes, and let the planet beneath you do what it was designed to do for your mind. Your brain is waiting for that biological signal, ready to quiet the alarm and grant you the deep peace you've been searching for all day long. The grass is outside, the earth is ready, and all that remains is for you to take that first barefoot step into the quiet night air. If you reached this point in the video, it's because something inside you knows that our modern lifestyle has alienated us from the simple truths that keep us grounded and whole. There is a deep, quiet wisdom in turning back to nature when modern answers leave us feeling hollow and perpetually exhausted. Subscribe to DMMR because on this channel we continue untangling the quiet truths, forgotten science, and hidden mysteries that nobody else is talking about. Click that subscribe button right now, step outside tonight, and let us keep exploring the deeper nature of who we truly are, together.